Okay, I'm going to attempt to get some flight video today, but the weather reports are calling for 4-mile-an-hour winds. I don't know what it is right now, but I can tell you it's a heck of a lot more than 4 miles an hour. It's a pretty windy day. I think I'm probably going to keep it on low rates and virtual instructor on the whole time, but we'll see. And hopefully I can keep it sort of close to the camera, but it was definitely very windy today, so I'll just kind of play around with it and we'll see how it goes. But anyway, here's some flight footage flying the Glasair Sportsman. Check surfaces. Okay, looks good. Okay. All right, here we go. Much straight into the wind right there. Let's see what we can do with it. The right rudder to yaw into the wind a little bit. Not my smoothest landing, but I don't think there's any damage. Came down in one piece. Wind kept changing direction, really, but not too bad. It's kind of a cool flight. Couldn't do a whole lot in the way of aerobatics or anything, but it was fun. So anyway, hope you enjoyed today's flight of my Glasair Sportsman. Take care.